Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about selection process and exam pattern of Robert Bosch company. Then we will discuss about syllabus of this company, and in last we will talk about frequently asked questions related to this company. So let's get started. First, we will talk about selection process or exam pattern. So there will be three rounds. First round will be written exam, second round will be technical interview, and third round will be HR interview. First round and second round means written exam and technical interview will be elimination round, and third round means HR interview will be formality round. So for suppose if you cleared first and second round, then you are almost placed in this company, because HR interview is formality. So now we will talk about syllabus. So there will be 60 questions and you have to solve 60 questions in 60 minutes, and there will be negative marking. For correct answer you will get 1 marks, and for incorrect answer you will get minus 0.25 marks. And first you have to solve aptitude. In aptitude there will be three sections: quantitative, verbal and logical. For this you will get 25 minutes and you have to solve 25 questions of aptitude. Then for technical sections you have to solve 35 questions in 35 minutes, means total 60 questions in 60 minutes. So, and if we talk about difficulty level, then it will be easy to moderate, and all questions will be MCQ based. Now will be talk about some frequently asked questions. So first, what is eligibility to apply for Robert Bosch India career? So answer is candidate who completed either their degree, graduation, post graduation, masters from any recognized college or university are eligible. Candidate should not have any standing backlogs, and for this you there is no percentage criteria, but it depends. For suppose if it's a placement, campus placement, then it may vary. So but generally they don't put any percentage criteria. And other frequently asked questions, you for other frequently asked questions you can pause the video and you can read all both two questions. So I think this video is helpful. If you think this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.